Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to create a column chart on your Google Sheet. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Spreadsheet application, and you can choose either you want to start a new document or choose the previous document that you already have. So for me, I already prepared today. So here I already have the information, so there will be a product and as well as the quantity, and I also already have the chart here, but this is not a column chart, this is a bar chart. So I want to change, or I want to add another chart, which is the column chart. So first thing we're gonna do is just block all of the information so that the table will be in active mode. And after that, please take a look on the plus button on the right upper corner here, just click it and go into the chart. And we just need to go into the type chart here and scrolling down to find out a column chart. And now we already have a column chart here. You can choose which style that you want to have. For me, let's try this. Okay, or this or this. It just depends on what you really want. So I think this one could be best because there will be an information about the product as well as the quantity of it. So after this, you just need to click done. Okay, so the next step is just resizing the chart and positioning the chart. Make sure that all of the information is easy to be read. Okay, and that's all the way you make a column chart. You can see the difference. This one is bar chart and this one is column chart. The difference is just the way they show up. So the bar chart will be like horizontally, but meanwhile the column chart will be vertically. That's all the way. That's all for today's tutorial. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.